All right, I know everybody else is there, but I'm heading to the airport now for Dayton. I'm on a standby status, so this was my best flight to get over. I'll get there about midnight and get into my hotel around maybe 1:30 or 2 and get up bright and early, get my media pass, and I'll be meeting Chris Bricker and have some breakfast and start the Dayton Hamvention Experience. I look forward to seeing everybody there and all the exciting, fun things happening, and the giveaway should be fun and exciting. I'm hoping for good cell network and connections. So let's go. Okay, 12:15 in the morning on the 16th. Just got to Cincinnati. Gotta go get my car. Hour and 15-minute drive, I guess, to Dayton. So we'll get settled in tonight, try to get some sleep, and head over to Hamvention in the morning. We'll see you there. All right, well, finally made it after an hour and 10-minute Uber drive, thanks to Avis rental car not being there for me and 7 other people. 2:35 in the morning. This bed is going to be very comfortable for the next 4 hours. Getting up at 6, breakfast, get a car, and head to Dayton Hamvention. See you tomorrow. All right, I'm headed to the entrance of Dayton Hamvention. It's a 1-mile long line, and it's 8:20. It hasn't even opened yet. So we'll see how long it takes us to get through this. All right, finally made it. Freaking chaotic trip. I got to plan a lot earlier than this. And here I am with Chris Bricker in the house.
How's it going?
Look at, he's all set. He's got his camera stuff ready. He's rocking and rolling. We got Atlas down here. Has I got Atlas in there? What's up, Atlas? Check it out. Yeah. Oh, Luna wishes she could be here. Yeah, boy. All right, guys. We'll see you. Okay, Chris and I here. I was looking at a tri-bander, and the 2 salespeople were like, let me let you talk to the tech guy, because we weren't sure if it was tri-band or not. And the tech guy happened to be this guy, Mr. Steve TL. So he's busy right now, but now we've run into Steve. All right, we thought there were no hooligans here at Dayton Hamvention, but I managed to find one.
You should have seen what I just did.
I should have recorded that. Damn it. Good to see you, Mike.
I threw it a big OH, and half the people here said, "Ohio."
And then you said,
Ohio sucks. I just did. Okay, so here's the deal.
Classic Mike.
Here's the deal. This morning, before the show started, got robbed.
What?
Here.
What got robbed?
$1,600.
What?
Yep.
Do we want to record this?
Yeah. They need to know.
You got robbed.
I got robbed. $1,600 here.
So if you robbed him, you suck.
They took my credit card. I put my PIN number in, and now I have $1,600 less, $1,601 less in my bank account.
All right. Whoever's watching this, find out who did it.
Channel members, you can become a member of the channel to support me. You can go to K8MRD, or you can go to patreon.com/K8MRD radio stuff.
He needs $1,600 worth of membership.
$1,600 because Yaesu just robbed me.
Nice.
It's actually the guy at HRO.
Now I know what he's talking about, you son of a bitch. I knew there was something about
HRO
it.
did it to me.
I knew. There had to be something.
I may have purchased the new...
He got the
I may have
FTX.
gotten robbed, but I did take a Yaesu FTX.
So wait, so $1,600, so did you get, what, the cage?
I just got the 1F.
Because I'm just getting the 1F field.
Yeah.
Did you get the cage? Because I got the cage
No,
too.
no, I don't do that crap.
But for $1,600, that's something else, right?
No, it's
Isn't
just the
that
radio. Well, it's 14 at tax.
Oh, the tax.
Yeah.
Sons of
So I got
bitches.
also robbed by the government.
And the government.
Yeah.
So in total, he needs $1,600. So
$1,601.
Ham Radio 2, go
We'll forget the
subscribe.
change.
I'm already subscribed, so
Yeah.
he can't take any more from me.
It's tough.
Good to see you, Mike. I'll
Don't
see you
come
later
to
tonight.
Ohio. You'll get robbed.
All right, guys.
Cheers, guys.
See ya. All right, guys. We're over at Ole Miss, just checking it out. And oh wait, I got to raise the camera.
Ah.
There's the Digital Rancher.
Yeah. Good
to see you, Rob.
Yeah.
Just a quick one.
Cool.
Say hi. Say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.
Found it.
I got it.
Oh, good.
I got it. I just picked this up for this random YouTuber over here.
Random guy here.
Take Radio! Steve! What is going on
on? How are you doing over there in the Brett Pan Paul world?
This is just little video clips of everyone we meet.
Nice,
Good to see ya.
nice. And you got a pop-up or a reflector about.
All right, I'll see him later. We're gonna go around and see more things and meet more people.
Awesome.
See ya.
Have fun.
Friday done. I am the only one left in the general parking. There's nobody here. Bricker's way over there. Go get something to eat before I head back to my hotel. So we see you tomorrow morning. Okay, here we go. We just parked. It's Saturday morning and my lens is blurry. All right, it's a warm day today, and not just the humans that. Nope. Atlas gets his little water bowl here. Yeah.
Drinking it too fast.
Good boy. All right.
Okay, there's some more.
Oh, okay. Well,
All right.
Hey.
Here's another character. Nice to meet you, Josh. Prep and Paul. Good to see you.
Hey, what's up, man? Oh, we're doing
That's all right.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing real quick clips of everyone we meet that we know on YouTube. Good to see you, Josh.
Yeah, good to see you.
All right, I'll see you
I
around.
like your Wii remote that you turned into a.
All right, once again, we're meeting another face. Here he is, Alpha Antenna.
Hi, guys.
Steve. Just doing real quick clips of everyone we meet. So.
Well, it's so good to see you. Alpha Antenna's been here for the last decade, and that's us. We build American, we hire Americans, we design in Americans. We're 100% debt-free. Come on by us at alphaantenna.com. We're the show at our trade booths.
I got 3 of their mag loops. I got this antenna here, hex antenna. I got their HD. I got their FMJ. I've got their mobile whip.
You just did a run on this test.
There it
and
is.
I don't know, you did some nice
Icom mag
contacts.
loop, 1.3, 1.2,
SWR?
There you go.
Yeah. Where were your contacts at?
Montana.
Montana. You were in Montana.
5 watts.
5 watts. Oh gosh. It'll do 100 watts.
It'll do 100 watts, but I did 5 watts to Montana. So
Yeah.
those of you who think mag loops don't work for transmit, think again.
It's true. It's electrical engineer was here and he was educated. He was having a lot of fun after he left and he put one up.
All right. Thanks, Steve. Good to see you.
Peace out, bro.
All right, everyone, we're just out here perusing. Just finished the first 3 buildings, and we came across the Bro Cam.
What's going on?
How's it going, man?
It's going great. I'm having a great time.
Look out, he's out here making videos and stuff as well.
That's right.
Look how big he is, man. He's like
No.
8 inches taller than me. What the heck? Rob, you got someone, Digital Rancher's got someone giving him a run for his
That's
money.
right.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
All right, Saturday morning. Let's see if we can find any hoodlums out here. Oh, look, we found one.
Howdy.
Good morning, Abe.
How you doing, man?
This is just a brief little clip of everyone I'm meeting.
Okay.
As I meet them. I didn't do this with Teal yesterday, though.
Well, you signed all the paperwork with my agent, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
taking care of
All the
that
releases are done.
stuff. Okay, cool.
So here's Ape and the gang here. Just wanted to say hi.
Yep.
I didn't do this yesterday. He was busy talking, so we met yesterday, but I got a video of him now, and then we've got another hoodlum over to the right.
There he is, big game.
Good morning.
3D printer guru. And we got all their antennas and everything. So we're gonna hit the.
We're gonna hit the.
The only other, so that's why.
All right, guys, been socializing for a bit, and now I'm in here with Tamitha Skov.
Especially like E3 component of EMP. So some of the storms that hit Earth that are super fast, they don't even have to cause a big geomagnetic storm, or big, like what we just saw with the Gamma storm. They can be big, what I call big buckets.
All right, everyone, I found the ultimate mobile install. Are you ready for this? Nope, not that. This. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, properly run cables. And look at that. Okay. There you go. You got it all. You got it all with this setup. So get started today on your mobile setup. All right, guys, we're at the next booth that y'all want to see, and that is
You're drooling. Okay. You guys got mops to pick up
the Kenwood Mobile.
Yeah.
The only thing I'll point out is we'd love it if you guys would pull the D-Star out of the radios and just drop the price. I have no use for D-Star.
Like, it's just the way it is.
I know, but I figure if I keep bitching long enough, maybe somebody will listen.
We'll see.
So, does it have a waterfall?
Data port there.
Will it have a waterfall? Or a waterfall feature?
Rumor.
All right, guys, Chris and I here at the Icom booth. We found some information on tomorrow's giveaway. Look at that beautiful radio. It is so easy to see. The giveaway is tomorrow. We'll start the live stream about 10 or 15 minutes to noon, and we'll see who wins tomorrow right here at the Icom booth. All right, everybody, it's midday Saturday. The giveaway is over. Oops, I'm covering up the thing. Let's try that again. All right, everybody, it's midday Saturday. The giveaway is done and over. And look who I came across.
Dave Kassler, how are you? I'm KE0OG with Ask Dave.
It's the OG.
The OG, that's right.
It's great meeting you, Dave.
Good to meet you too.
All right, thanks.
And good luck on your channel, and I hope you get lots of good subscribers and lots of good interaction with it.
There you go. I got Dave Kessler's positive energy pushing me forward.
There you go.
Thanks, Dave. 73.
73 to you too.
Look who else we have here.
This is where I go like to Australia or whatever, so I do that. One of the things I was saying, I do a little bit about.
We're getting a premiere introduction from Salty Wall on his book.
Too much. I was thinking it was going to be more like
Oh yeah, it's all
like
it's my sketches. I mean, these
the
are,
ERL book or the
All right, still Chris and I.
and Atlas.
And guess we're there we go. Here's all the Yaesu models. Optima here with the amp in the back. This seems a little bit, I don't know, do you think it might be bigger than the 705? Slightly?
So Josh put them up together.
Oh, did he?
And they're kind of about the same size. A little different.
Just visually in Tokyo, I estimated it was about the same. Yeah, there's the cage right there. Yeah. All right. What was that you said, Chris? So you're right?
I want to get one.
Okay, Chris wants to get one.
I want one.
Yeah, we both want one.
modular.
All right. Not today, though.
Not today.
All right, we're still going through midday through Saturday and just looking for some more hoodlums. And who do we come across? It's Tom. K5LOL. How's it going?
Good.
What do you like about Dayton this year? What's the most exciting thing?
I think the flea market is a little bigger this year, and there's a lot of things to look at out there. Miles to walk through, actually.
My feet were killing me after walking out there, but it was amazing.
It is amazing out there, and
All
lots
right.
of good manufacturers. Too.
Yep. Good to see you, Tom.
Good to see you, Paul.
73.